What's good, y'all? It's your boy DJ Restorates, going to outer space because we going nowhere but up, and I got a small clean for the Red Toro 14s, as y'all can see in the few pictures I was in before. These are light cleaning. It's not too beat up, but I'm gonna get these right. So when you're done touching the uppers with a soft brush, you want to get your medium brush and hit the midsoles up like how I am doing so. Of those 14s, what I'll be doing now is just cleaning the laces. The laces are black. Not really gonna be doing that much of a deep cleaning on these, so just gonna throw these in here. But they do have these. If you catch that, let me catch that out now. This is a problem. You have to trim those off and make this look really neat, though. That's the only problem I have with the laces.
LMVL.
Alright, yeah, I'm back. So now that these shoes are done drying, and to be honest, I'm happy with how the shoe is coming out so far. I didn't get to reset the suede. It's still crunchy, you know what I'm saying? But for now, I want to worry about these little creases on the side, because that can make the shoe look a lot more uglier than, you know what I'm saying, it actually is. So I'm gonna worry about taking these out on the side with you could use a heat gun. I would rather a heat gun, but for now, right now, I'm gonna be using a blow dryer on the highest heat, just to take this out, because I've used it on my wave runners, and it had came back to being, you know, uncreased. So that's what I'm getting to.
LMVL.
Alright, yeah. I just finished increasing both of the sides, as as much as I can. As you can see, it took out some creases, but there's some major creasing on the side still. But it took out some creasing. For the most part, I'm still happy that I still got to do as much as I can to the shoe. Next on, we're gonna be setting the suede on this toe box. I know y'all see this toe box, but right y'all now, shit not busting, shit not buttery right now. So right now I'm gonna just brush it back and forth. You could do one way or back and forth. I just choose to go back and forth. Sometimes I do one way brushes, but you know, I'll just, for the most part, I'll go back and forth because I see the most results with back and forth. So I'm gonna get started. For the most part, y'all can see, y'all, there is a big difference. After we add this Minko, I'm saying we're gonna be pushing. Alright, y'all, I'm finished with brushing these two. Y'all see the big difference already. I know as I was seeing. You know what I'm saying? Boom, 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 boom. Now I'm about to go through this with the mink oil. I'm gonna come back to y'all with the results, and I'm gonna just lace them up one time after. You know what I'm saying? And that's gonna be the end result.